Welcome! So, one thing is certain for this year. This is the year of retro metal albums. Many of you know that in the past couple of years or even a few years, all kind of retro music has been the thing, and it goes even to fashion and all that stuff. But one thing that has clearly filled my mailbox during the last few months is the return of retro metal in its many forms. One of the most popular retro forms is heavy metal, and that is exactly what we have here today. So today's band and album is Air Raid, and Across the Line is the album by the Swedish band. So there you go, Swedish heavy metal. So Air Raid, as you can see, it's old school as fuck when it comes to the looks of these guys in a band, not to mention the logo. Inside there is basically just lyrics, all the basic stuff. CD is like it was back in the 1985. As you can see, there's my bar mirroring it, and the background and the inside. So all in all, very old school, very old fashioned. So what is Air Raid all about is old school heavy metal. And as you can see, since these guys look old, you know, not old per se the face, but I mean, as you can see, the type of fashion, metal fashion, as you can see, these guys are all just, you know, like it was back in mid 80s. It's the looks, it's the sound, everything is just, you know, traditional heavy metal. This one is, however, not the type of doomish, slow pace, mid pace heavy metal, but more on the speed side. So it's like fast riffing, nice pounding, and all that stuff that kind of would probably relate you to bands such as Judas Priest, Iron Maiden, all that. So basically kind of a new wave of true heavy metal, but not in the British sense, it's from Sweden. Air Raid was founded in 2009, so it's already been there for almost a decade, and this is their third album. They clearly know what they're doing, since Across the Line is filled with just good songs. There are no kind of weak moments or songs to just should have been cut off. It's totally all the way down, pretty much what it offers you on the very first track. So this 37 minutes or so, it's just what it is. It is this type of stuff without no ballads, no clean vocals, no off-roading, you know, there's no thrash elements or black metal elements or doom metal stuff. It is just pure heavy metal. Maybe, just maybe a slight speed metal thing going on, but nevertheless, it is the 80s heavy metal. And what delights me the most, it is the very fact that those songs are, like already said, they are good. And there's basically nothing to complain, except maybe for the lack of originality if you give a shit in the first place. But as it is, Air Raid, Across the Line, very much a thumb up release. So those into wanting the feeling at the back of those ages, check this one out. As always, thank you for watching. Leave a comment below, subscribe, challenge me with your opinions. Peace in ya, stay metal.